of appreciation is presented to Ms. Glyzel B. Sapla, MPA, Peace and Development, National Program Management Office, Project Development Officer from DSWD, Department of Social Welfare and Development. Thank you so much for inspiring us, for your valuable and inspirations to the officers, members of Citizens Crime Watch, and Anti-Crime and Corruption. Given this 19th of July 2024 at the Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City. For our next intermission number, before that, we would like to thank our sponsors, Triumph Motorcycle Philippines, Governor Daniel R. Fernando, PhilLife Foundation, Social Welfare Services, City Government of Malolos, the Mayan Filipino Movement Incorporated, the Gig and Pasig City Chapter, CCWIU PAC-CI, and San Mateo Rizal Chapter, CCWIU PAC-CI. And also Highway Patrol Group. We would also like to acknowledge the Highway Patrol Group. Okay, for our next intermission number, kung may mga nagpakabog kanina from Bocaue and also from Region 4A and Region 4A and Region 4B and Region 5. Ngayon, syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Quezon